color of the school?
I feel happy
Happy?
and excited that the school is painted this way. It gave me some expressions like happy, excited. What makes me like to play?
Good.
It's like
Colorful, right? Yeah.
the school is beautiful, comfortable. It has the word Hoover, and the bathrooms are very beautiful. I like it painted. I like the orange color. It's pretty. It looks beautiful.
Beautiful. How does the color make you feel when you come to school?
Glad. Happy.
Happy?
Every color makes me happy.
Thanks.
It's like it's rainbow.
Rainbow, yeah.
Color makes me happy.